In today's class, we will study about append, how to create a structure and append fields into any SAP table, which is basically a type of enhancement. So first go on T code SC11, select a SAP predefined table name, that is Mara, click on change. You want to add a structure, then you need to click on append structure, give and click on create append, give the structure name. You are creating a custom structure, that's why your first letter should be Z or Y. Click on this. After that, click on green button. Whatever the field you want to add, you can give the field name by writing a short description here. After that, save, check and activate. In this way, you can append a structure in your SAP predefined table. So, difference between include and append is, in include you can include at any row between the any field, but append will only append at the end of the row. So, see, when you click on Mara table, here I have already append one. See, when I'm going change in this, there are two fields present. I have already done this task. So I'm just showing you the steps how to append a structure and see the field. Click on display at the last. Here, see, whatever we have append, here the field should be displaying. In this way, you can append. Here I have created one field, that is Z digital amount, whose data type is character and length is 20. I have created a structure. So after that, I have appended it in Mara table. So in this way, you can append a structure in your SAP predefined table. But in custom table, if you want to add some field, then you can add it directly. No need to append a structure. But if you want to add some structure, so in that way, you will by using a include method, you can add it. But when you want to add some fields in SAP predefined table, then you must need to append a structure. So that's all about today. In further class, we will discuss more. Thank you.